Optera are an innovative and forward-thinking structural repair contractor serving the insurance market. Our area of particular expertise is the domestic subsidence heave and landslip market, where we work closely with loss adjusters and insurers to develop cost-effective and innovative solutions to common problems. The following video is an example of Optera's response to a landslip in Cumbria. The risk property in this case is a detached bungalow built in the mid-1970s. We're on a site which is an elevated plot above the river Cocker, and in mid-August 2018, following a period of torrential rainfall, there was a significant loss of land to the rear of the property. The landslip has developed a backscarp which is within about 3 metres of the rear of the property, which puts the property in potentially imminent risk of failure to the property as well. Following the slope failure, Optera were invited to develop a scheme working with the loss adjusters in order to remediate the slope failure. We've taken a phased approach here. So the very first stage was to deal with the immediate slope stabilisation issues, and what we've done here is we've fixed MAC mat, which is in effect a very heavy gauge chicken wire over the slope, and that's been secured using platypus ground anchors. Because of the difficulties of access with this site, everything has had to be done by hand. Material that's been dug out in order to create these terraces has had to go down the slope. There is a beneficial effect to that because we need the mass of material at the base of the slope in order to create that stability at the toe of the slip. The next aspect of this is drainage. We will be introducing a series of land drains that will follow the run of these terraces, and the outfall will be taken to discharge at the base of the slope away from the area of concern. In order to facilitate safe access, we've also had a specialist scaffold designed that gets personnel safely from the top of the slip to the base of the slip. Following the initial slope stabilisation, Optera worked with the client to develop a final design, allowing us to reinstate the policyholder's lost garden. The agreed design was based on a screw-piled ground beam that was laterally restrained using a series of divvied ground anchors. On top of the ground beam, we constructed a restrained king post wall using galvanised steel posts with oak sleepers in between. The lost ground behind the wall was made up using lightweight Cordec fill core, which is a structural grade polystyrene fill material. This allows large volumes to be filled quickly and safely without adding weight to the head of the landslip area. Once the fill core was placed, we added free draining gravel with topsoil and turf. The design provides a robust solution to a common landslip situation. The new wall allows for ongoing maintenance without compromising the structural elements. Optera are here to help with everything from standard domestic subsidence claims through to major and complex loss issues. Give us a call to speak to one of our team or arrange a joint visit with one of our technical managers.